animals, some shapes and colors, and my face.
Do you see Florida?
I see the hand.
Yeah.
See the hand coming? Want to see the hand coming?
Yeah. You want to go take a dive?
Where? That's not one. That's not. I see it.
Yeah. He's gonna crash.
I knew he was gonna fall.
I told Daddy you're gonna crash.
I crashed into it. Are we at the Disney Springs one?
I don't know, it's coming in. Let's go. What? Go to the front so you can see.
Go up there. Go that way.
You gotta hold on.
Clear of doors
Oh, hold
and
on.
hold onto
I
handrails.
tried.
Yes, you go up there and
The
hold on.
doors are now closing.
Where's Daddy?
Hold on.
Please stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails.
See?
The doors are now closing.
It's not busy.
The APM is now departing. Please hold onto the
Hold on
handrails. The next stop
Yeah.
is terminals A and B. Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy
like a
Dye.
subway.
Resident of Central Florida. Welcome you home.
Hey, you're going a little
You're
too
one of our
fast.
72 million visitors.
I'm going a little too fast.
Who's driving this?
You are.
Not the controls in there. The controls in there are moving it. Or those stuff are moving it.
Yeah.
We then come back on the money road to go back.
No.
But how
Please
did you
stand
get
clear
that?
of doors and hold onto
Ooh, going in the
handrails.
tunnel.
When the
It's like a time
APM
machine.
stops, please exit and follow the signs to
Yeah. Now take it out. Nope, try again.
We have to wait for 5 minutes.
Okay, now take it out. Oh, no. Good.
Open it. See what's in there.
Let's see.
Let's see the view outside.
Let's see.
Oh!
Let's see.
Epcot. See Epcot.
You see Epcot?
I see the circle all the way over there. See it? The
Wow.
circle? Epcot.
Yeah, we see the big ball. You can see the fireworks tonight. And that's going to Disney.
That was the fireworks.
Yeah.
Let's take off my shoes.
Go stop.
Hi.
Let's have a race. Let's see. Hold on. Let's tell everyone.
Yeah.
So we're at the Disney store in Disney, and we're gonna have a race looking for the
The monorail.
monorail. So ready, set, go. Already? You cheated. That's the wrong one.
Put this back. I'll get this one. What else?
Look at this. That's cool. No?
Let's go pay.
Oh, look at the remote control car.
Huh? We don't need that. It says there's two stuff.
Okay.
Let's go pay. Let's see who can stop.
Stop.
Let's see who can find the cashier for wins.
Sign where?
The cashier.
The cash register? Okay, ready, set. You and Daddy, yes? Go.
You're on me.
Yeah. I think Daddy's gonna lose.
Where's the mom? Come, go ahead.
Oh, Abs. If we knew aunties right now.
Right here, we found it.
Take
And
this.
And we can't find Daddy anywhere.
Take this. I'm shooting.
You take that. You shoot at me. Ah! Go below.
No, that's not the way.
You got your stuff? And you ready to roll?
You guys want to sit here?
So what are we gonna get? We're at the Goofy Candy Store, and we're going to get his favorite, Mike and Ike.
Okay.
Just a little one.
How do you do it?
Just a little one. Okay, I think that's great. What else? We got chocolate covered raisins. No? No?
I think I found some.
We have M&Ms.
These are jelly beans.
We got the gummy worms. You gotta put your bag. Oh my god, see?
Says, oh my god.
Okay, I think that's good. I think that's good. What about...
Those are jelly beans.
Dun,
And those are
dun,
jelly
dun,
beans. Mommy,
What's
close
next?
your eyes. Close your eyes and what's this?
That is M&M's.
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes? Okay, I close.
Close them both of them.
But I can't close both. I can only close one.
Look, like this.
I can't do that. I can only do this.
Close your eyes and then I'm gonna get your favorite.
My favorite?
Yeah, close your eyes.
Okay, let's go.
Yes. But I'm not gonna put it here.
Okay. Okay.
Ready?
Ready to go pick? Whoa! No way, man. I don't know who's paid for all those candy, but it ain't me. Come on, let's go. What's that? I think that's it.
Party time, dude. Who's having some drinks with me? You? Gonna have a
Yeah,
drink?
some soda, right? What? Oh my goodness.
What's this?
Can we guess their tushies? I think this is a leopard, right? Do you think this is a leopard? What do you think this is? A zebra? I think this is a tiger bomb and a parrot, right? Yeah, what else do we see? Let's see. These are the same. What is this?
Frog, I guess.
I don't know. A frog? I don't know. A frog doesn't have a tail like that.
It's the
What do you think it is? I don't know.
That's
That's a cheetah.
cheetah.
Oh, I see. This could be a giraffe. Right?
Yeah.
That's a giraffe.
This should be zebra.
Yeah. This could be a jaguar, probably.
Ooh, it's time for food.
Come, let's go this way. Ooh. So the nice fishes. Don't eat me! Don't eat me! He got my hand.
No. Where your hand go?
He ate it up. Oh, isn't this pretty?
What's away from?
That's nice. Come, let's go in.
It doesn't talk anymore.
You can go in.
It doesn't talk anymore.
All the way in. All the way in. Said, ow! What do we got? You don't want to move over?
Your server will be right up.
Thank you.
Get him.
Nice frog. Hey, let me look at that frog for a
You
moment.
can't.
Oh, the storm is coming. Look at the stand.